How to delete an Aternos server. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete an Aternos server quickly and easily. Whether you are cleaning up your old server or just starting fresh, I'll guide you through the steps. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, go to the official website of the Aternos. And once you are inside, simply log in with your account. Use your username and password to access your dashboard. And once you are logged in, you will see your list of servers on the main page. And if you have more than one server, locate the one that you want to delete. Now on the main dashboard, you will see the edit icon beside the create button. You simply need to click on it. And after clicking on it, a delete icon will appear in the server. You simply need to click on that. And a confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to delete the server. Note that deleting a server is permanent, so make sure that you have backed off anything you want to keep before proceeding. If you are sure, simply click yes to confirm, and the server will be now permanently deleted, and you will no longer see it in the list of the servers. And that's it. You have successfully deleted your Aternos server. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. If you have got any question, drop them in the comments below and I will do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.